welcome to EdScratch, which is what I'm looking at right here. In the background, you'll notice you'll have the EdScratch program. Hopefully going through the materials, you'll see some of the information. What you find in here is a menu. You can load new things. On this side, let me kind of move myself over here a little bit to the center. You'll see all the things you can do for Drive. You can click on LED, and you can see the ones that you can do for LED. Go to sound. When you play one, you can bring it into the box, and they will click together. Let's see, there's sensings, there's events, and control. If you look at like the if-then statements right here, so beep, and then I go to if-then, and I go to drive. I can't take any of these in here. They won't fit. They'll only fit with the exact blocks. But if I take different sensing, let's say clap detected, notice how that is the same shape as the if-then statement, so I can put that in there. So if clap is detected, then I can say forwards for 1 centimeter at 5. So that's kind of quickly how you're making the program. Now, backing up a little bit, I want to load a demo program. So I'm just going to go File, New, kind of wipe it clean. I'm going to go File, Load Demos. Move me out of the way again. And I thought it would be kind of cool to look at the line tracking if-then statement. So I'm going to load that program. Now, we did this as a barcode, and it's really cool to now be able to see it as actual code. So this is what the barcode actually did. So if we kind of go through this program a little bit, it says turn line LED tracking on. So it'll make sure that this device is ready for line tracking. It has a forever loop. So it's always looking for whatever's in here. We have an if-else statement, or if-then and else statement. So if the line tracker is non-reflective surface, then basically turn right. If it is not reflective, turn left. So that's kind of how it's looking to see if this is going to be line tracking. So let's see how this works. So I'm going to turn this on right here. I'm going to take the audio cable, which I plugged into this computer. I'm going to plug it in. Yada. I'm going to click Program EdListen. And it wants me to make sure my volume is up on my headphones, which it is. And it wants me to make sure that I press the record button so that both lights are lit. When that's done, I'm going to hit Program EdListen. And I heard the little audio. I'm going to get back to that in another video about troubleshooting, because on this particular computer, that didn't happen at first. And that is something I've run across on several occasions. So I want to talk about it, but that'll be another video. So this is programmed. Very good. Now I'm going to come over here on my little mat here, and I'm just going to put it in the dead center. And right now it's on a reflective surface. So looking at the program here, if the line tracker is on a non-reflective, turn right. So if it's on a black line, it wants to turn right. If it's on a reflective surface, it wants to turn left. So let's see what happens. Okay, cool. Well, I got it to turn around in circles. I'm going to hit stop. Now, what happens if I put it close to a surface? So during its turn, it's actually going to find that reflective. So let's go. There you go. And it's following the line. And it's doing it by basically bouncing back and forth between that reflective or non-reflective and turning left or right. Kind of a cool way of doing it. I love it. It's a fun little tiny program. Okay, I'm going to hit stop. So thank you. Enjoy. I'm looking forward to seeing your videos. Thank you, and never stop learning.